Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to start with the topic DigiLocker. This is a very important initiative that Indian government has taken in the field of e-governance. So recently we have completed our governance crash course. अभी recently हमने 7 session series का governance crash course complete किया था. So this DigiLocker is a current affair on related to e-governance. So whenever you study governance topic in GS paper 2 for mains, you need to also associate the current affairs related to those topics. टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जो करंट अफेयर्स है आपको उनको भी लिंक करना है अपने कोर टॉपिक्स के साथ. फॉर एग्जांपल डिजी लॉकर इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ करंट अफेयर in e-governance that you have to study separately. ठीक है, and you have to interlink the topic so that your understanding will become more analytical. Okay, so let's start the session. Now before we start the session, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched 1-year batch course. If you are preparing for 2022, you have 1 complete year for your preparation. For that, you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus because the course is starting from 28th of December. That is from tomorrow. So hurry up, enroll now. Now here what are you going to get? You are going to get classes from India's top educators, full syllabus coverage, prelims test series with analysis and with your all India rank scores, PDF study material, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, one-on-one sessions, interview preparation courses as well. Plus you will also be helped for preparing your optional subject. So the batches are in all the languages, Hindi, English and bilingual. The link is given below in the description box. Also you can use code SHARMA20 to get additional 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. आपके प्लस के सब्सक्रिप्शन पर आपको एक्स्ट्रा 10% डिस्काउंट मिल सकता है अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो SHARMA20. The link to Hindi, English and bilingual batches are given below in the description box. Click on the link, go through the schedule of the classes, the time of the classes, and according to your comfortability you can subscribe to these batches. If you are interested in English batch, there are separate batches for English medium students also, separate batches Hindi medium students के लिए भी हैं, bilingual also there are separate batches for 2022. And also when you subscribe, do not forget to use this code SHARMA20 to get 10% discount as well. So let's start with DigiLocker. What is DigiLocker? It's a service, and who has launched it? Indian government. When it was launched? In 2015. Now what exactly is this service all about? क्या करती है ये service? It offers a safe and exclusive personal electronic storage space for resident citizens, not NRIs, for resident Indian residents to store their documents. आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को, चाहे वो कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट हो, चाहे वो आपका क्लास 10th क्लास 12th की सर्टिफिकेट हो, एनी डॉक्यूमेंट यू कैन स्टोर इट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लॉकर. ठीक है, इट्स एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पर्सनल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टोरेज. The maximum storage space is 10 MB. This is important for prelims. Maximum storage space कितनी है इसकी? 10 MB की है, and it is linked to the Aadhaar number of the user. So this space can be utilized for storing personal documents like university certificates, PAN card, voter IDs, URIs, e-documents issued by various departments. You can store them all in this locker, and it is linked to your Aadhaar number also. ये आपके आधार नंबर से linked है. Now there is also a related facility with this locker, that is e-signing of documents. So अगर आप employee हो किसी कंपनी के, ठीक है, किसी तरीके का आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या डॉक्यूमेंट साइन करना है, आप डिजी लॉकर का यूज करके उस डॉक्यूमेंट को साइन कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Also, the objective of the service. What is the objective of launching this DigiLocker? Objective is to decrease the use of physical documents and to offer authenticity to e-documents, so that e-documents can be widely accepted and can be, you can say, taken as the official document everywhere. And right now in the COVID-19 crisis, you know that physical contact has to be minimum, right? So in order to minimize the physical contact, the DigiLocker or the e-services or e-document services, it is becoming increasingly in use, right? The aim is to deplete the expenses on administrative front also. Instead of printing hundreds of papers, you can just sign the e-documents. You can just create the e-document, send it to your employees as well, right? Send it to various other governmental departments. तो इससे papers की भी क्षति नहीं होगी. And Digital Locker is one of the major initiatives under Digital India program of the Government of India. It was released by Electronics and Information Technology Department of Indian Government. So they can ask you the ministry also. Okay, so please remember the ministry. यहाँ पर ministry भी याद रखिएगा. ठीक है, तो ये तो आपकी बेसिक प्रीलिम्स रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन हो गई. नाउ फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ जीएस पेपर 2 लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डज द डिजी लॉकर वर्क. अब ये डिजी लॉकर काम कैसे करता है. तो फर्स्ट, टू साइन अप फॉर द डिजी लॉकर यू शुड हैव एन आधार कार्ड, बिकॉज राइट नाउ वी हैव स्टडीड दैट डिजी लॉकर इज लिंक्ड विद द आधार नंबर ऑफ द यूजर. सो यू शुड हैव अ आधार कार्ड and mobile number registered with the Aadhaar. Your mobile number should also be linked with the Aadhaar. Only then you can use this service. Now type your Aadhaar number and the captcha code that you will see on the screen. After clicking sign up button, one time password will be generated. It will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Then enter that OTP and click on validate OTP button to complete the sign up and login process. Okay. Now the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology was asked to prepare this particular locker. So what is this locker? It is a flagship initiative of Ministry of Information and IT Technology under the Digital India program. You have to remember this also. It is the government's effort to create an electronic version of documents that in order to safeguard the administrative cost of the government departments, okay, by printing hundreds of papers. Now the users can store their documents like insurance documents, medical reports, PAN card, passports, marriage certificate, etc. in the digital format. And the locker can be accessed by individuals using their mobile number, which should be linked with, write it down, which should be linked with the Aadhaar number. किसके साथ लिंक होना चाहिए? आधार के साथ लिंक होना चाहिए. टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, ड्रॉपबॉक्स, दे ऑफर स्टोरेज स्पेस फॉर यूजर्स टू स्टोर डॉक्यूमेंट्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम ई डॉक्यूमेंट्स, डिजी लॉकर कैन ऑल्सो स्टोर अ यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स आइडेंटिफायर लिंक, दैट इज द URI लिंक. ठीक है. Now how can you sign up for DigiLocker? For that you need to possess an Aadhaar card to use DigiLocker. That we have already understood कि कैसे अपलोड कर सकते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्स को. You have to log into your DigiLocker account using the username and password. Then click the upload icon to start uploading the document. Locate the file on your system and start uploading it. And to assign a document type to your uploaded file, click select doc type. So if the document is in PDF format, you can click on PDF. If it is in picture format, PNG, JPEG, right? In different formats, they can be uploaded. ठीक है? Point clear हो गया? So this is all about the DigiLocker. ये है आपके DigiLocker के बारे में सारी information. ठीक है. Another important point, if you are really interested in completing your plus your UPSC CSE preparation with Unacademy Plus, then do consider subscribing to Unacademy Plus 1-year batches, which is starting tomorrow. That is from 28th December 2020. Also, you can avail 10% discount by using this code Sharma20. The link is given below in the description box. Thank you.